All right, guys, today behind me we have a Ford F-350 Super Duty. This is the extended cab. It has 4 doors. It's not a crew cab, but it's the smaller seat in the back, so it's the extended cab. All right, one of the back doors is not opening, and I'm going to show you a possible solution to fixing yours. First, we'll go to our little back door here that does open on this side. Just by pulling that handle, as you can see, it opens. All right, and from the inside, it opens as well by pulling that handle. Coming around to this side, as you can see, this side does not open at all. So let's figure out what's going on. First, we got to figure out how we're going to get this door panel off of here, and the way we're going to do that is we're going to come up to our window here where this latch is, and we're going to take those 2 Phillips heads out. All right. With those 2 removed, you can see this is just floating freely now. Now this is held on, there's a bunch of clips underneath of this. So we want to go around and we want to pry this up. Just be very careful. A lot of these clips tend to break. It's a little hard to get our hand up there, so we're gonna have to go from the bottom here because the door doesn't open. Just like that. And that panel is off. All right, next up we got a bolt here and a bolt here, and then you're gonna have your trim tabs here, which when you take these out, you're gonna use a trim tool to get in there behind it and pry up. 99.9% of the time you're gonna break these. Plan on breaking them. The good thing is you do have these 2 bolts to go back in. Why they didn't just put bolts in these is beyond me, but they design things to break so that they can make money. All right, so let's go ahead and take these 2 bolts out. They are a 7 millimeters. They may vary according to your year and model. Now we'll take our trim tool, and these are probably going to break just like that. Different models do have a screw in there. Some have a Torx head, some have a Phillips head. All right, now that that's all out, what we need to do is pull up on this panel. Just kind of wiggle and pull up. There it goes. Pull right up and out. Now, we need to get in here. You can either A, cut a hole right here, or you can try to pull some of this plastic off. Sometimes it rips, sometimes it will come off in one clean swipe. It may just be easy to cut the hole there, but let's see what we can do here. All right, so I did manage to pull all that plastic off of there because I wanted to be able to look down in this hole down here too. And what it looks like is, you can see that cable is busted right there. It's not allowing that to fully extend because it looks like everything else here is functioning properly. And see, that's broken. And if we look down here, let me see if I can get you down here. That's where the actual latch is right there. And when I pull this, I mean, that doesn't, it's not pulling very far there. So I'm going to guess that it's going to be up top here, that cable, because that's definitely the only thing that I see that's busted. So that has to be it. All right, time to order some parts. And that is how you get the door panel off with the door shut and diagnose exactly what's going on with your door. And hopefully this helps, guys. Please hit subscribe below, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.